Hey guys, this is Formal BMX, and I'm gonna do my bike check. I got Blackstroke 220 frame. I got custom rail seat, Odyssey pedals. I got Vancom tire rims, Vancom sprocket, Walmart steel pegs. I got Redneck headset. I've got Blackstroke bars. I got Monster brake cable, Black Ops brake. I got Odyssey grips and a Odyssey grip cap and a Blackstroke forks right there. So this has been Formal BMX with my Blackstroke 220 bike. This is my bike check. So goodbye. Stop it.